Welcome to Financial Management, your complete business hub for tracking every dollar in and out of your breeding program. Running a kennel isn't just about raising healthy puppies, it's running a business. And every successful business needs to know where the money's going. This tool gives you professional invoicing, expense tracking, income reporting, and integrated payment processing, all in one place. No more spreadsheets, no more shoeboxes of receipts, no more guessing if you're actually profitable. Let me show you how it works. Once approved, PayArc integration lets you accept credit card payments directly through Pet Portal. When your customers receive an invoice, they can pay online through a secure portal branded with your kennel, giving them peace of mind that their payment is protected. Key benefits: 3.5% competitive processing rate. Next day funding. Get your money fast, not weeks later. PCI compliant and secure. Customers see a professional, trusted payment page which builds confidence and helps close sales. Accept all major cards. Seamless integration. Payments automatically record to your invoices and income tracking. Overview gives you a quick financial snapshot of your breeding business at a glance. Yearly summary shows your total sales, expenses, and profit in a simple bar chart. Instantly see if you're profitable for the year. Click on Expand Advanced to access expense and income reports. Just select the time frame and type. Generate your report. This is your command center for understanding if your breeding program is financially healthy. The income section tracks every dollar coming into your business. Each entry shows the date, category or description, amount, and you can attach receipts. Customer payments from Pet Portal invoices are automatically logged here with the invoice number. Why this matters? Come tax time, you have a complete record of all breeding income, litter sales, stud fees, deposits, organized and ready for your accountant. No more digging through bank statements or shoebox receipts. Upload your receipts and view them when you need to. Manage categories. Categories let you organize your income and expenses the way you think about your business. Click on the blue tool icon to edit these. We've pre-built popular categories like veterinary and medical, feed and supplies, and breeding income. Just check the ones you want to use. Creating custom categories. Don't see what you need? Create your own. Add a main category like show expenses, then add subcategories underneath: entry fees, travel, handler fees. This flexibility means your financial reports match how you actually run your kennel. When tax time comes, you can see exactly how much you spent on vet care versus food versus breeding supplies. Create invoice. Creating professional invoices takes just a minute. Search contact. Find your buyer from your contacts list and let the system autofill. Invoice number, auto-generated, but you can customize it. Add items. Select puppy kitten to pull from your litters, or add custom line items for deposits, supplies, or training packages. Each item can have its own price and tax rate. Add convenience fee. Optionally pass the 3.5% processing cost to the customer so you receive the full amount. Customer notes. Add pickup instructions, health guarantee details, or payment terms that print on the invoice. Use your own terms and conditions or our pre-built template. Once saved, you can send it directly to the customer's Pet Portal, where they can view and pay online, or download a PDF to email or print. That's financial management. Everything you need to run the business side of breeding like a pro. If you have questions, reach out to our support team. Happy breeding!